So this is I just bought it motor and boat. As you can see, it's been sitting for a few years. There's something going on with the lower unit. It also needs a water pump. The key switch isn't working, so we have to use a starter button. But when it came in, well, you can see what was in the module there, and it wasn't working because that just melted. Here's the other pump. Float switch. You can see that's probably just caught on fire and melted that. That was the fuel we got out of it. Plugs that, fuel filter. But anyway, here we are. So it now starts and runs, but not with the key. It'll barely pump water, so we'll drop the lower, and also we'll find out what's going on with the lower. All right, you can pop it in gear. All right.